Hey guys, what's up? It's Dashan iOS Master here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the lag on your Android devices. Basically the newer version of Nougat and all. So as you guys can see, I am on iOS. Oh sorry, not iOS. Android 7.1.1. That's Nougat, and the security patch is January 5, 2018. So recently, a few days ago, I've found my phone was lagging too much on when I pull down the shutter and all that stuff, and my battery saver was off too. Then I figured out that the lag was causing because of some setting was disabled in developer options. If you want to enable develop option, just go to about phone and click this build number for 1 to 5 or 6 times. Then just go here, just turn this on, and then just go down, and you will see a window animation scale. Just set this according to you. The one I set this for 1 into, and that's perfect for me. And just do for these three options all the same, and then your lag must be fixed. So that's what I did for my phone, and my lag was fixed. So maybe this video works for you. If this works for you, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and stay tuned for new videos. Peace.